doing?
Fooling.
Blowing it. I bet it's cold now. All right, taste it out.
No, I'm not tasting. Wow, look at it.
Oops, excuse me. Is it hot? I thought you blew on it. It's not. It's not cold.
No. More divorce.
Oh, I bet it's good now.
Mama, here.
And it might be hard to get all three on the same timing because of the height difference.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Who's that?
I don't know who that is.
What in says it with you?
Uh-huh.